MSTR stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether MicroStrategy stock is a buy or not for me, so watch till the end. First thing that I'll have to answer is that actually it's a firm bullish character. Now, I've done 33,000 videos and spent 4 years on course and mentorships. And as a result, like, I'm still looking to take things higher. I mean, I'm just using a strategy that I've refined over that time period. And like, I've been recording my kind of track record with the MSTR for this whole past year. It's been an ongoing bullish theme. Obviously, it's not just W's, man. Like, you can see I have break-evens here and losses, which I've got like 3 losses actually, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wins and 2 break-evens, which is phenomenal performance. Now, kind of ending off the year, it doesn't even matter. Like, it doesn't mean that the price will break this before the year ends or this will deliver until the year ends. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying that I'm still looking to take things higher, and I'm only going to do so if I see this proper double break. If not, then I really would not care. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.